Hello. Today, myself Ganesh. Today we'll discuss about handlers, how to use handlers in the Ansible playbook. We will see in detail. Okay. First, we will create user. Go to switch to root user. Now, you add a user. ANSI user you can use ANSI user. Press S. After that, vim etc sudoers. Okay. After that, here control F. Can use this passwordless server. Shift to G, down, paste. Okay, paste and save changes. Okay, paste and save changes. After that, switch to ANSI user. Okay, switch to ANSI user. How to use handlers in the real-time industries? We will see in detail. We prepare the document. Handlers, and today we'll discuss about handlers, roles, and dynamic inventory. We will see in detail. Okay, we can use Vim playbook handlers dot YML. Can use okay. After that, hyphen name. We can do handler demo one. We can use host. We can do local host and become. We can use to and use tasks. Okay, here everything is same. After that, we can use hyphen name, hyphen command, okay, hyphen path, hyphen which file we want to create in the local host, and handler. We are using one by one without namespace and everything. Hyphen name, parent tasks. Okay, we will see we here start parent task name. Here we can use. I will explain one by one. Don't worry, I will explain one by one. Okay. After that, Ansible icon playbook handler, icon syntax, icon check. There is some errors are there we can use. No errors, naming spaces, everything is there. In Ansible, syntax check, notify. Okay. Now I will explain what is the these. I will explain one to one. This is this is locally server. Okay. This is root user becomes this is subtasks. This is subtask. Okay. Now this is services start command. What command? Echo means print. Okay. Echo means print the sentences. Echo means echo means print the services. Print the output Okay. Notify, notify. Before executing, we will notify the services. iPhone name, I showed right. iPhone name, iPhone file, touch, everything. iPhone name means create file and a file path and notify iPhone name package. Notify which package need to take it. And the package consists of name, package name, and package state. Present it will be take. Okay. Don't confusion here. Debug means in the debug, if any errors, we can debug started issues. Okay. iPhone name, git version, and a command git iPhone version. Okay. I will run this. I will run this. What is the output we will see in detail? Control X syntax check syntax, no issues in that syntax. We can run Ansible playbook hyphen VVV. Okay, where goes. Say this is the path. It will notify before executing. It will notify there is no failovers. Before executing, it will notify the service. Before executing, it will notify the service. Okay, this is running handler. Notified handler service run under localhost. Running handler service in this XML execute. Running handler check a file in the file 17th line. After that, change localhost command will be executed. Okay, this is the command git space icon function. See, this is the git version. Apache to -b. Apache to okay. Like this, you can use in the real-time scenarios. Now we can use flush handlers. What is flush handler means? We can use any after that we can use a fail. If anything is failed, we can no it will not stop. It will forcefully to execute the script. Okay, same thing. Playbook handler 2.x.yml with playbook handler 2.yml in this you can use same thing. After that, Ansible hyphen playbook hyphen syntax hyphen check. I will explain, don't worry. paste, paste. I will explain, don't worry. Okay, syntax, verify. It will execute one by one, running host and the seek check version. Vim handler demo parent task start new services. Same thing as here and touch is equal to one. And I installed a package named git version of the check file and git what is the it will tested everything. Okay, git space hyphen version. Okay, after that, how to execute forceful handler in the real time scenarios. How to fail playbook but still forced to handle the run. But Vim playbook handler 3.yml. Vim playbook handler 3.yml. Okay, okay. Ansible hyphen playbook handler 3.yml. So it will fail. It will fail means it will not execute here. Hyphen syntax hyphen check. We will check syntax. No issues, right? After that, I can use here forcefully run the command. Here the force hyphen handlers. You can use handler means particular event or particular time need to be execute particular jobs. Okay. Now it will executing event handlers. See changes three and failed one. Early we can fail it, right? That is the same thing. It will deliver the message is failed one. Okay. Now we can use the roles, particular roles. Okay. Okay. Use mkdir rules. Okay. cd roles. Okay. We can use by Ansible Galaxy to verify the Ansible Galaxy Apache created successfully. cd Apache. Under that, task section will be written and default section will be written. Vim main.xml, main.yml. In the YML, variables page, it will get variables. packages, everything will be written in this form. Okay, this is the main, and this is after that. Go to go to now. Now it gives repository after the command apt update and the name Apache services. This is the package name. This is the variables. You can write variables in the variables. Main.xml, we can write, we can call it about the package and variables. Okay. After that, we can create the Jinja template. Jinja template is the most powerful template in the Ansible playbook. Okay. We can use Jinja templates. Okay. Template ports dot. After this, cd under templates vim ports dot conf dot j2. After that, we can return here default one. Okay. After this, you can use Jinja to template. Wait 2 minutes. I will cut the charging. Wait 2 minutes. Now, after that, go to under the files, cd files, vim, under that vim, under the files, vim, index.html, index.html. You can use, this is the tag. You can use the tag. Okay. After that, we use under that handlers, handlers vim. and we move main.yml and that name and the services. Okay, everything is perfect. Okay, everything is perfect. Okay, now we can use where and cd wheres vim main.yml. In the main.yml also we can use and a handler. I told right handlers package name it will return. Okay, after that create one playbook rules. Name it as vim playbook rules.yml. Okay, you can use Ansible playbook hyphen syntax hyphen check Ansible rm page playbook rules vim playbook rules.yml. After that, after that, Ansible playbook rules.yml hyphen syntax hyphen check another handlers. Okay, in this syntax check, sorry, Enter bin main dot yml and line number 7. Okay. Ansible handler can use syntax check cd Apache and cd handlers vim main.yml. Okay. Can use syntax check. Sorry. You can come out of the box, out of this path. You can check under the handlers syntax problem is defined. Syntax problem is detected. cd Apache, cd handlers, and the vim main.yml. Hyphen name and service. Okay. cd Apache, cd handlers, and the vim main.yml. Service is the module. The service name is equal to Apache 2. State is equal to restarted. Okay. State is equal to restarted. This is spaces also must and should. Where line number 1, line number 9, cd Apache, cd handles pim main.yml. We can use D, and one is two steps back. We can use syntax. Everything is fine. No issues reported. Roles. Okay. I will explain one by one. In this, okay, so this is the architecture. In the task and task playbook, it will be written, and variables playbook, it will be written. and handlers playbook will be written like that. Every stage you need to run the playbook. One to one interlink will be there. This is codes execution. After that, checking, checking. Okay, see task update, APT repository update. After that, checking the code in the template, Jinja template. We are creating Jinja template. In the template, after that, in the Apache, CD templates, Vim codes.config.in in this module. See, in the Jinja template, listen HTTP port. This is the variable. This is the variable. You can return in the variable. In the variable section, it will be declared main.yml file. It will be declared in this. Go to this main.yml in the var file in the var section. And after taking this here, after this SSL load module and utilities, it will be execute. Go to this. I will show you cd vars and vim main.yml. See HTTP port. This will be the variables. We declare variables under the variable sections. Okay, variable section. Go to the handlers. In the handler and the main.yml is there. In the handler, what is handler? Handler name and handler services will be there in the real time scenarios. Okay. After that, cd task in this main.yml. Here you can write each and everything in this name. In the name update command apt get update. Name means you can alias name. Command, which command need to run apt update, and the name and a package in name it will return. Okay, and the name and variables you can written clearly. Okay, in the variable section or package name it will written clearly in the variable section. In the template, go to the template section. Under this Jinja template is there. In the Jinja template, we can configure here source ports dot source ports dot conf dot j2 Jinja template. This is the ports etc apache to ports dot config and deploy the index file h1 is there. Okay, like this. I will show you the evidence. Browser. Okay, http localhost 90. See, looks my Ansible role is deployed. Okay, my Ansible role is deployed. Okay, by using Ansible Galaxy, we can give the exact structure, nothing but variable section will be there, will be used. Template section will be used. In the template section, Jinja template we will be created. Okay, Jinja template. And a handler, we can use the handler. By why handler we are using means, handler means particular time or particular date, particular service we need to execute particular time. Suppose in the Java or .NET or any other technologies, handlers will be used particular date and time. That event will be run in particular date and time. So we will use Ansible playbook in the handler. We can use, okay, like this. We are using here now. We are using dynamic inventories. Ansible by default, I will show you the evidence. Default Ansible, we have host file where we have written list of IP address of the hosts and the servers. Where we have do the changes, the file is static. Where IP address are fixed, will be manually add new IPs or remove IP address are not required. Static IP address to the host file. Now we can automatically add the IP address and host files. But consider use case where your infrastructure of the could be number of servers scaling and scaling down dynamically. It will update. Okay. In the AWS, create VMware and see. First, prepare Ansible controller to install packages and all the things. Okay. You can use. Okay. Now go to ANSI user. We can install the package. We can install the package. Install the package. This is Galaxy. Install AWS. After that, we can install AWS CLI. Okay. Python 3, we can return. After that, we can Boto 3. Boto 3, I will explain what is Boto 3. You can write, this is the dynamic inventory. You can write. After this, show Boto 3. Okay. And a location, Apache, everything. Boto 3 is there. GitHub.com/Boto 3 is there. You can use update command. After that, you can use Amazon CLI. After that, you can install Amazon CLI. After that, you can create the Terraform and create the instances, AWS instances. In the Terraform, we need to create a public key and access key and the server key is there. After that, region, everything is there. Okay. Vim Ansible.cfg. In the Ansible.cfg, we can return plugins. We can enable the plugins. After that, save changes. I have practiced it in my own. Vim inventory. After this, create EC2 inventory files. Defaults. Enable plugins is equal to AWS EC2 instance. Vim my inventory. Under this, we can use defaults. Under the defaults, inventory is equal to slash home slash ANSI user slash my inventory file is there. After this, enable underscore plugins is equal to AWS underscore EC2 instance. AWS underscore EC2 instance will be there. Okay, after that, go to create EC2 instance PIM AWS EC2 under the plugins and state and sorry region. Everything need to be written here. Okay. After this, save the file. After this, save the file. Run the command. Export. Now we are doing export access keys. Export. Export our access keys. Export AWS secret keys. Okay. After that, Ansible inventory. Okay, like this, it will comes. Now we can use this. I practice it my own myself internally. So same, I copy paste output in the Word document, and I will show you. I will show you the executions. Okay, like this you can use. Okay, like this you can use real time scenarios and all the things. Okay, thank you for watching.